Hello and welcome. My name is Dr. Aubrey Healy and I'm the Director of Outreach and Recruitment at Edmonds College. I'll begin by sharing a little bit of information about Edmonds College, and then I'll be also sharing some important links for you as you're getting started and signing up for classes at Edmonds College. Edmonds College is located on a 50-acre campus in Lynnwood, Washington. We offer 2 Bachelor's of Applied Science degrees, 63 associate's degrees, and 60 professional certificates. I've listed links to our areas of study and degrees and certificates here. We also have open enrollment, which means anyone who applies gets in. Our student-to-instructor ratio is relatively low, so that means students get time with their instructors. And our cost of attendance is also relatively low, with the average being about $4,000 per year for a student taking 12 credits per quarter. Admissions information, including important registration dates, can be found on the admissions webpage. One great thing about Edmonds is that students can apply for enrollment up to the first day of classes. Financial aid information can be found on our financial aid webpage, and there are a variety of ways in which you can contact the financial aid department. The financial aid website contains our financial aid forms, deadlines, and a guide of how to apply for financial aid. For assistance with financial aid, registered students with an ID number can follow that link, and prospective students can call to speak with someone over the phone, make an in-person appointment, or drop into the financial aid Zoom room. The Edmonds College Foundation has over 100 scholarships available to students. Typically, the awards range from $1,000 to $4,500. Students must have a cumulative GPA of 2.5 or higher to be considered. On our scholarship website, you will find frequently asked questions, a link to the scholarship rubric, how-to videos, a list of all of the current scholarships, and the scholarship application, which must be submitted online. The most important date for scholarships is April 5th. That is the deadline for submitting your application and supporting documentation. Here are some links to important dates and deadlines for registration, financial aid, scholarships, and of course our academic calendar. Upcoming events are listed on our campus event calendar, and you can also see events in our Triton Quarterly magazine. Please follow us on social media to stay up to date with events as they are unfolding, and we will notify you whether our events will be in person or virtual, but we are not going to let the pandemic slow us down, and we are going to keep having events even if they're virtual, so let's keep getting involved. Edmonds College has many resources available to support students while they are here with us. Of course, you can drop into our advising center on the first floor in Lynnwood Hall. We also have a student support webpage. También tenemos información en español si se necesita. And I'd like to mention that we have a Learning Support Center, the Center for Student Cultural Diversity and Inclusion, services for students with disabilities, TRIO Student Support Services, providing valuable services to support the success and progress towards graduation of low-income, first-generation college students and students with disabilities, and the Veterans Resource Center, among many others. Up-to-date COVID-19 resources and information can be found on our website. As of September 13, 2021, all Edmonds employees and students are required to have COVID-19 vaccinations. Reach out to us at Outreach. We are located in Gateway Hall on the 2nd floor. You can also go to our Outreach webpage, email us, or call us. Students looking to contact Outreach can drop into the Outreach Zoom room via the Outreach webpage and access the lounge by clicking the green Connect to Outreach and Recruitment button. You can also request information, register for an information session, book an in-person meeting, book a campus tour, or watch a virtual campus tour. If you are a counselor looking to connect with Outreach, you can contact me, Dr. Aubrey Healy, via email or phone, and my associate, Mark Gelson, may also communicate with you. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. We look forward to working with you.